Hi, I will show you how to make custom FX emitter in Dying Light Developer Tools. Okay, now you need to create some FX emitter. It's here. Okay, choose this. It's freezing the editor. Okay, now place it here. Select it. Okay, now you go to attributes and you choose the FX type. For example, this one. Make a fire FX. Now I want to make a custom FX. I go to Windows, Presets. Okay, and I choose press here and I press F. Then I choose the good location here. And you have FX emitter list here, and this is the list you have here in FX type. Okay, this is only limited to what developers let in this list, so you can add new FX types. So I will example presets create. We'll make I don't know, test. Okay, now you have a FX show you where it is. I can't remember. Okay, it's here. Effects. This is a common Dying Light Developer Tools, TW, Data FX effects. You have a lot of FX here. For example, I will choose water, river splash, and here you have the FX with sequence FX, okay, and the FX without sequence have only emitter, suffix, and particle, but no sequence. Okay, sequence FX have sequence, emitter, and particle. I have 3 files. Okay, I will choose one emitter without sequence. Make sure it's listed with the name. Okay, this one, and you copy this part only, this name, but you don't copy emitter or particle. It's only this part, name of the FX, and you put the FX prefix here. Okay, you press enter, and here you can choose if it's a sequence or not, but if you have only emitter and particle, this is not a sequence. You need this file, sequence file, to make sure it is actually a sequence. So this seems to be only FX without sequence. Okay, now I have this custom FX type. It is named test here in the FX list. So I choose save. Okay, and now if I go here, I don't find it, so you need to go here, reload preset scripts, okay, and now you should be able to find it in the fx type list here. Press T, okay, test, can browse here, it is here, okay, and I will check this effect, and you can see, I can't remember what fx I choose it. There's a drops particle, okay, and you can see the drops here. The fx is custom fx is actually working. And okay, we can stop test or enable test. Okay. And now we'll try. Can also make more. So this is the folder of the developer tool, so you can put the fx directly in your map to make custom ones. So when users download your map, you will have the fx. Or if you let the fx files here, they will only have the fx of the game, not your custom fx. So I made this is one test map I have, data, and you put the fx folder, you copy the fx folder uh, from here, okay, copy the whole folder, and you paste it in your project data folder, okay. I have pasted here, but it's pretty huge folder, so maybe you put only the fx you want to make custom fx. You have lights, okay, this is different fx's. You have a misc fx, weapons fx. So I will make a custom fx for this. So I can choose this one. Okay, I copy the emitter and particle fx, or I could make it with a sequence, but okay, copy and paste somewhere it is clear. Okay, and I change the name. Okay. Okay, now I take this back where it was, here, okay, and I copy this without emitter, okay, copy, now I will create a new one. What it was named Sparks. Okay, reset, create, custom Sparks. Okay. Now I paste the name custom made, and now it seems not a sequence, so I will save it. Now reload, reset scripts. Okay. And you can also refresh fx when you modify the fx script content. Okay, now I will choose my fx type. It was a custom. Okay, it's better. Custom sparks here. Now you can see the sparks. Okay, it's working. Maybe changing the light. It's better to see sparks. Okay, now I will edit the properties with Notepad plus space world continues, and this is a point fx. So lifetime is forever. You can change, if you want to make different variation over the time. You add keys. 1 second. You can. This is the first value is when this is will happening. This is like the night and day cycle. During the daytime. This is in seconds. And here you can change the value, but you will see this is in light. Okay, light fx, and apparently here too. This is the loop, particle rate. Oh, sorry, the lifetime. I told you the wrong settings. This is here, but particle rate. So here the lifetime. If you set 0, apparently it is infinite. But you can set the number of seconds the fx will duration here, and here this is the rate of the particle. The keyframes here at 1 second the value will be high, and this will make alternative fx. Okay, as you can see, it's not always on the screen. And if I for example I copy this value and I paste it over, no, this one, copy over all lines, this will say at 0 second this value will be applied, at 1 second of time this value will be applied. Okay, it's not, you need to test to understand how this works and try to show you. Okay, you can let this value here, for example, to see what it does. Okay, now save, and we will try to reload the FX, and you can see the FX is different. Okay, and if I change all, for example, this is negative value here. I don't know why this is negative, but I need to test. Okay. This is pretty long, but this is interesting to make your own FX in game. Okay, change this. Save. Refresh. Reload FX. Okay. Now test again. You can see it's different. Okay. I will just try to answer a question. This is we found himself. Okay, now I will try to tweak other settings. Okay, you can change this, but I don't know the damn types. I can't remember. Okay, you have different options here, but you will browse the scripts, the fixed scripts, and read this with Notepad, and you'll understand what it does. Okay, the velocity, direction. Okay, for example, I will change direction here to 20, for example, just to test what it does, and reload the FX. You see it changes the direction of the FX. Okay, turn off distance. Not sure of what it is, but I will try to edit the particle script now. My custom one, of course, because I let the default one. Lifetime set to 1 second, but I guess the lifetime is picked from the emitter script. You can drag the FX and set a value, for example, this direction, but I changed the direction in the other script, so this is my cat. We'll wait later. Okay, I save it. Refresh. Fix. And you can see the drag option is dragging the FX far away. Okay. Now you can change the color. I will try. Normally this is red, green, blue, but I don't know. This is the first, maybe the value, and the last, I don't know. Normally this is a red, green, blue. It should have 3 values, but I will test with 0 here. See what it change. Okay, see, this is the red channel apparently. No, not the red. I put to 0. This is the, I don't know. I'll change to 10 here. Let's see what color channel this is. This is not changing. Apparently, oh, a little bit green. No. Apparently, maximum value is 1. So I set 0 here. This is yellow. Okay. Just 0 to understand what the color does. It's the same. Apparently the yellow channel just red, green, blue, and yellow, and okay, this is more complete color range. Okay, never mind. You can change apparently the scale, and you can. This is really important, but I'm not sure how to do it. You can change the material, and if you want to see the material, you can see here the list of the game, but you can create custom one, but you need to follow my custom model tutorial to know how to make custom one. Custom object, but your materials you make with custom objects are not named mat or named DMT, so maybe you need to test to copy this. For example, this is one custom model I made, and to paste in your FX script you want to add a custom material, but not sure if DMT file work in the script, but it should. Okay, I will try with another material. So poster C, for example, posters C. This is and save. I will try if it does something. I've copied this material name. Okay, posters C. Oh, you can see DMT file here, missing DMT, okay. But the material are locked for the DevTools, the game material, but this is not important. They work in the FX, so reload FX. Maybe this will change something. Apparently this is not working. Okay, try test. No. Apparently this is not working, but maybe you have the. You can test if you can make it work. Okay. I guess I showed everything. How to make custom FX. So I will get this back. Okay. And I don't know, but you can spawn also different and add different FX in the sequence files. So use this sequence, and this sequence script is overwriting other settings of the FX, so you can change color, lifetime. Okay, and this one, this spawn function is also is really incredible. You can spawn FX on your in your game. You can spawn multiple FX. Okay, you set the particle emitter here with the emitter FX name and particle FX script name. Okay, you can spawn a light, sparks, many FX. This is a spawn function here, and sequence is awesome. It's really incredible. If you test further with FX, you see this is really perfect. So I guess this is a long tutorial, but I guess you better understanding of the FX. So I will just check if the FX is okay. This is back working, and you can make really all kind of FX you want. So